Okay, so now we will be starting with the creating the package. For this, we will be following this documentation of React Native official documentation. So here you can see everything like the native modules intro, the Android, the iOS. Android have different APIs. You have to write code in Java. In iOS, you have to write in Swift, and then you can how you can publish that to npm. So further any delay, let's get started. So for that, it's written that you have to paste this command, and you can also find this dependency in the github. I will give the link in the description, and you just have to copy this, go to your directory where you want to create the project, open it and paste it, and let's keep name sample. So now it has started with the process. It will ask you couple of questions. What's your package name you want to keep, who built this, author, all that stuff. Okay, React Native sample p, package name would be sample p, Nikunj description. Okay, and it will now download all the required dependencies like complete project setup. It will provide you all the boilerplate code. So now till time it's doing some process, let's go to the official documentation. And okay, so now it will ask you some questions that what you want to build. So we want to build a native module bridge for native APIs, and I want to use Java and Swift. So now it will be generating the project. Meanwhile, let's go to this, and here it's given everything like if you want to create for Android. So every each step description is given here, how you can do that in Android and how you can do that on iOS. And also it's given here how you can publish those native modules which you will be building. So don't worry, we will be covering everything in this video. Meanwhile, it's taking time. Let's so so basically native modules, if you don't have any idea about this, these are basically like you write code in JavaScript for in React Native, but what if you want to use the APIs of Android, like which are basically built in Java, and for iOS in Objective-C or Swift. So for that, this bridgings come into picture, which helps us to access the APIs of these native languages. So you can access all those APIs without any problem. And now here are all the prerequisites are given which you can follow. It's taking too long. Okay, so now our dependency has been sorry our project has been installed, and now go to this particular project that has been created, open it in VS Code. So this is how your project will look like. These will contain all these files: license, iOS example, Android scripts, src. This is the func file which where you will be writing code for your JavaScript native modules which will be accessing, and this directory you will be writing your Android code, and in this you will be writing your iOS. So now let's jump into the next video for starting the package.